Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to drop a pet in Garden 2 game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Now I'm playing the Garden 2 with my phone. So first I'm going to show you how to drop a pet using your phone. And first you're going to equip the pet. You're going to hold the pad, go to your inventory, and then you're going to select your pad like this. And on mobile phone, you'll see this drop icon, and you just need to tap on this drop icon to drop your pad like this. And after you drop your pad, someone else can pick up the pad so they can own it. Okay, I'm gonna pick it up again before the other players pick it up. And on PC guys, if you want to drop a pad, you won't see this icon. Oops, wait, where is my pad? Okay, this one. You won't see this icon on Grow a Garden PC. Instead, you can use your backspace key on your keyboard. So just tap on the backspace, and then you'll be able to drop your pad on Grow a Garden 2 game of Roblox on PC. Okay guys, and that's how you can drop a pad in Grow a Garden 2 game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!